Hi Ma, happy birthday, happy 18th, and the 80th birthday, but 18th birthday. Anyway, stay happy. I know you're always happy because you're in the Philippines. Ano ka dito, America. I have very simple wish for you. Stay healthy, physically and mentally. Continue counting money. Tanong kay nga kabawon. And I hope to see you soon. We'll celebrate your birthday again. We'll celebrate your birthday until April. And always remember, we love you. And sorry, Michael is not here. Nadadyan school tiri daton and I don't know what time he'll be home. And Ed just left. Napanagtrabaho. He just left an hour ago. So, pasensya kayo. Basta happy birthday. I'll see you here soon. Bye.